Turkey is taking its unmanned combat air power concept a step further. New flight imagery released by Turkish Aerospace shows the stealthy ANKA III flying with two jet-powered SÜPER ŞİMŞEK UAVs mounted beneath its wings, transforming the aircraft from simply a weapons carrier into something closer to an airborne combat node. The significance goes beyond carrying two additional drones. ANKA III is designed around a low observable flying wing configuration with a service ceiling of around 40,000 feet, a maximum speed of approximately Mach 0.7, and endurance of up to 10 hours. Its architecture includes intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance sensors, electronic warfare capabilities, satellite communications, and manned-unmanned teaming. The SÜPER ŞİMŞEK adds another layer. This roughly 4-meter high subsonic UAV can carry up to 50 kilograms of mission payload, reach about Mach 0.85, and operate at altitudes approaching 35,000 feet. More importantly, it can be configured as a decoy, electronic warfare platform, jammer, radar signature simulator, or one-way attack system. That means one ANKA III could potentially enter contested airspace, release its two autonomous effectors, and create several separate problems for an enemy air defense network. Instead of relying on stealth alone, the concept combines stealth, electronic warfare, deception, autonomous systems, and distributed effects. And this reflects a much broader shift in modern air warfare, from individual high-value aircraft toward networked teams of crewed and uncrewed platforms. Turkey is already exploring a future in which the KAAN fighter commands ANKA III aircraft, while ANKA III itself deploys smaller autonomous systems such as SÜPER ŞİMŞEK. In other words, the future battlefield may not be about one aircraft doing everything. It may be about one aircraft launching a network of capabilities. With ANKA III and SÜPER ŞİMŞEK, Turkey is signaling that its vision of future air power is increasingly distributed, autonomous, and designed to operate inside the most heavily defended airspace.